Welcome to Techno Trend Zone, your daily source for cutting-edge innovation and all things tech. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated cameras of the year, the Canon EOS R6 Mark III. This full-frame mirrorless camera is expected to shake up the photography and filmmaking scene with powerful upgrades across the board. Whether you're a content creator, professional photographer, or an aspiring videographer, this might just be the hybrid camera you've been waiting for. Let's take a detailed look at what makes this upcoming release so exciting. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III is rumored to come equipped with a newly designed 24-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor. This marks a significant leap in image quality, offering enhanced detail, faster readout speeds, and superior low-light performance. The sensor is expected to deliver deeper dynamic range and cleaner high ISO output, which means photographers can expect exceptional results straight out of the camera. Colors are rich and natural, contrast is well-balanced, and Canon's renowned image science ensures lifelike skin tones and striking landscape reproduction. Whether you're capturing portraits, wildlife, or fast-moving scenes, this camera is built to deliver sharp, professional-grade results in virtually any lighting condition. Autofocus has always been a standout feature in Canon's mirrorless line, and the R6 Mark III raises the bar even further. Powered by an advanced version of Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF system, this camera is designed to lock onto subjects with unmatched speed and precision. Real-time eye detection for humans and animals, as well as subject tracking for birds, vehicles, and even aircraft, gives photographers the confidence to shoot moving subjects without worry. Whether you're shooting action sports or candid street moments, the AF system adapts effortlessly, even in dimly lit environments. Canon is clearly catering to hybrid shooters with the R6 Mark III. Expect stunning video capabilities, including oversampled 4K up to 60 FPS and potentially internal 6K RAW recording at 60p. There's also talk of 4K 120p for smooth slow-motion footage. Footage quality is crisp, cinematic, and packed with detail. With Canon Log 3 and HDR PQ support, color grading in post becomes a breeze, offering flexibility for serious filmmakers. The camera's image stabilization system, combining 5-axis in-body IS with lens-based IS, makes handheld shooting incredibly smooth. Whether you're walking, panning, or filming handheld B-roll, the results are buttery and professional. Clean HDMI output, mic, headphone jacks, and reliable heat management round off a strong feature set for videographers. Built with a magnesium alloy chassis and weather sealing, the R6 Mark III is ready to perform in challenging environments. Its grip is deep and well-contoured, making it comfortable for long handheld sessions. Button placement is logical and easily accessible, with customizable controls that allow you to tailor the camera to your workflow. The body strikes the perfect balance between being rugged and lightweight, ideal for professionals on the move. The menu system is refined and responsive, ensuring you spend less time fiddling with settings and more time creating. The camera sports a high-resolution electronic viewfinder with a fast refresh rate for a seamless shooting experience. Whether you're capturing fast action or composing a still landscape, the EVF provides accurate real-time feedback. The fully articulating LCD touchscreen is perfect for vloggers, solo filmmakers, or anyone who needs flexibility for high-angle or low-angle shots. Touch sensitivity is fluid, making it easy to navigate menus, change focus points, and review shots with precision. In today's fast-paced content world, seamless connectivity is key. The EOS R6 Mark III includes built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for instant sharing and remote control via Canon's app. With FTP transfer support and direct connection to cloud storage platforms, your workflow becomes faster and more efficient. USB-C enables high-speed data transfers and in-camera charging, a must-have for travel shooters and digital nomads. Dual UHS 2 card slots offer peace of mind with instant backups and rapid write speeds. Tethering options also make this camera suitable for studio and commercial use. Powering the camera is Canon's tried-and-true LPE6NH battery, which delivers dependable performance across stills and video. Smart power-saving modes and efficient energy usage mean you can shoot all day with minimal interruptions. USB-C charging support makes it easy to top off the battery while on the go. The dual card slots not only aid in data safety but also support long, continuous shooting, crucial for event, wedding, and documentary work. The R6 Mark III is designed to be reliable, even during extended and demanding shoots. One of the most important features for hybrid creators is in-body image stabilization. The R6 Mark III is expected to provide up to 8 stops of shake reduction when combined with compatible IS lenses. That means you can shoot handheld, even at slower shutter speeds, without worrying about blur or jitter. Videographers will love how stable the footage looks without needing a gimbal. For still photographers, it opens up creative possibilities, in low light or with telephoto lenses. For action shooters, burst speed is essential. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III is expected to offer blazing fast continuous shooting up to 40 FPS with the electronic shutter and 12 FPS with the mechanical shutter. This speed, combined with robust buffer handling and fast card writing, ensures that you won't miss the moment, whether it's a bird in flight, a finish line sprint, or a fleeting expression. The processing system is optimized to clear the buffer quickly, giving you more time to focus and less time waiting. Canon continues its tradition of delivering an intuitive and customizable user interface. The R6 Mark III offers fully assignable buttons, a quick access menu, and a My Menu section to store your frequently used settings. Beginners will appreciate the simplified interface, while professionals can dive deep into custom configurations. Touch navigation is smooth, making it easy to fine-tune settings on the fly. It's a camera designed to adapt to you, not the other way around. In summary, the Canon EOS R6 Mark III is shaping up to be one of the most balanced and capable full-frame mirrorless cameras in its class. It offers impressive improvements in image quality, video performance, autofocus reliability, and usability. Whether you're shooting a wedding, a documentary, an outdoor adventure, or cinematic content for YouTube, this camera is built to deliver. With a thoughtful design, smart features, and robust performance, it's ready to meet the demands of today's hybrid creators. If you're looking for a true all-in-one powerhouse, the EOS R6 Mark III is a camera that deserves your full attention.